Mother's Day 2026 is all about thoughtful gestures and meaningful surprises. DIY and personalized gifts are becoming the most cherished way to celebrate moms because they show love, creativity, and appreciation in a truly special way.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can families present the gift creatively? Using decorated boxes, baskets, or themed wrapping adds excitement. Creative presentation makes the gift feel even more special. Presentation matters? Like this if details count. How can letters or messages become meaningful gifts? Writing heartfelt letters or appreciation notes creates emotional moments. Words of gratitude can be one of the most powerful gifts. Words of love? Like this, if messages matter. How can photos be used for personalized gifts? Photo albums, framed pictures, or printed photo books make beautiful gifts. They capture special family moments that moms love revisiting. Memory gifts? Like this if photos tell the story. What budget-friendly gift ideas work well? DIY bouquets, handmade cards, and personalized crafts are affordable yet meaningful. Thoughtful effort always matters more than price. Budget gifts? Like this, if simple ideas shine. What craft gifts are popular for Mother's Day 2026? Customized photo frames, DIY candles, and decorative keepsake boxes are popular. Crafts. These projects combine creativity with thoughtful presentation. Creative gifts? Like this if crafting excites you. What handmade decor gifts work for Mother's Day? DIY wall art, floral arrangements, or customized signs are wonderful options. Decorative gifts allow moms to display something meaningful in their home. Decor gifts? Like this if creative style wins. What makes personalized gifts special for mothers? Personalized gifts include names, messages, or meaningful memories. These small, custom details transform simple items into keepsakes that moms can treasure for years. Meaningful details matter? Like this if personal touches shine. What makes a Mother's Day gift truly memorable? The most memorable gifts come from love and appreciation. When a gift reflects personal effort and heartfelt meaning, it becomes unforgettable. Feeling the love? Like this if mom deserves the best. What personalized kitchen gifts can be given? Custom mugs, engraved cutting boards, or recipe books filled with family favorites make thoughtful kitchen gifts moms can use daily. Practical gifts? Like this if useful presents matter. What self-care gifts are perfect for moms? DIY spa kits with candles, bath salts, and relaxing items are popular in 2026. These gifts encourage moms to take time for themselves. Relaxation gifts? Like this, if self-care matters. Why are DIY Mother's Day gifts trending in 2026? DIY gifts feel more personal than store-bought items. In 2026, families are choosing handmade ideas because they show effort, creativity, and genuine appreciation for everything moms do. Love thoughtful surprises? Like this if DIY gifts win. What simple DIY gifts can kids make for mom? Kids can create handmade cards, painted flower pots, or memory jars filled with sweet messages. These simple gifts become priceless reminders of love. Kid-made gifts? Like this, if handmade love wins. Mother's Day 2026 is all about thoughtful gestures and meaningful surprises. DIY and personalized gifts are becoming the most cherished way to celebrate moms because they show love, creativity, and appreciation in a truly special way.